Here, come on, pick me.
David?
I have a question.
Yes.
I don't understand how you do this problem right
Number
here.
6. Okay. Class, I want all your attention. Now the numbers are this. And stop talking! Stop laughing. You and you and you. I want to see you in recess time. Okay. Now, who can answer this problem? Yes, Sky?
8,896 is greater than 8,867.
Oh, very good. Now, you may have your recess since you are very good at math. Okay. Any more questions?
I do.
Okay.
I do.
Yes?
I do not get number 11.
Okay. Number 11 says, order the numbers from greatest to least. 400 billion, 857,000, and 3 trillion. When you see a billion, it usually has usually has 9 zeros. Now, when you see 1,000, it usually only has 3 zeros. Correct. And when you see a trillion, it usually has 12 zeros. Now, you can easily tell by what places it says. So, thousands, billions, then trillions. Trillions is usually the highest, so you usually want to choose that. Does that answer your question?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, but are we going to solve the problem? Or no?
Yes. So do you understand it now? So I want you to try to tell me the answer for number 11.
Didn't we just do number 11?
No, I helped
explained
you,
it, but he didn't say the answer.
so I want you to answer it. Okay, so you don't understand it? So, Sky?
From greatest to least, it would be 3 trillion, then, comma, 400 billion, comma, 857,000.
Overachiever!
Hey, no teasing. That goes to you, too. Okay, so in this lesson, it's comparing and ordering numbers, which any person can obviously do. So, obviously, it goes from hundreds, tens, and obviously ones. Ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands, and then after that it is always millions.
Jasmine has a question.
Oh, yes.
Can I go to the restroom?
Yes. Hey, quietly. Okay, after millions it is always billions, and after billions it is always trillions.
What's after trillions?
After trillions, dude, stop kicking.
Forget my
kick.
question.
Okay. Now, I want you in detention. Okay, so you can obviously tell by all that the trillions is the largest. Now,
Took my pencil. Well, now he gave it back.
No, I didn't.
I saw you.
I swear.
Detention.
Liar.
Everybody makes mistakes.
Uh,
That's not a mistake. That's like a...
detention.
How dare you?
Detention.
She took my water bottle.
Both of you out of the class. Out. You out.
Cut.
Oh,
Sit down. Have a seat.
sit down. Have a seat. You can sit right here. You outside of
cut,
class.
cut.
You.
Tell her to just work on the computer.
I want you to work on the I want you to help her with the math game. Okay. Okay. Now.
Are you gonna kick them out or no?
Sorry.
Oh.
Sorry.
Okay, never mind.
Okay. Do not do that again. Okay.
Sorry.
Now. Who wants to go up to the board to solve problem number 7? Okay.
I do. Please,
Okay.
I do.
Sky.
Oh,
Since she's
how?
always the quiet one. Okay. So.
Can I take my book with me?
No, I'll write it down for you.
Oh, okay.
Jerk! I just went to go pick up my water bottle and drink it, and then you just slap me?
That was an
Mr.
accident.
Ty!
That was an accident.
Okay. You two out of the class. Now. You were,
That was an
you were
accident.
disturbing the class too much.
Wow.
I didn't do anything. You're falling in
You outside of class. You out of class. Out of the class. Out of the class. You out of the class too. Out of the class. Out of the class.
Can we continue on with the lesson now?
Yes. Since you are the only good one. Yeah. Now, can you solve this problem and explain to me why?
Because I knew this is silence.
Oh. One moment. Okay.
Okay. Now, 102,086 is greater than 100,266 because by looking at the place values, obviously this one is greater.
Okay, correct. Now, do you want to do number 8 while you're at it?
Sure.
Okay. I'm not gonna make you go up to the board this time.
Okay.
Okay. I want you to tell me, like, greater than or less than. Okay. So go.
5,743,834
I said stay out.
is great. Is less than 5,745,618.
Now, did you say greater than?
Yeah. No, less than.
Oh, then that is wrong because you can clearly tell by the 5s. So when you compare it, I said out of the class. Out of the class. Up.
How long do we have to stay out here?
10 minutes.
That's 10 minutes.
No, 10 minutes. It hasn't been 10 minutes.
How come she
10 more minutes.
How come she is
Ten-
always
ten-
the good one? Because she's the smart one, that's why. I studied too, but I didn't have. You're a double.
Okay. Now, here is an easy trick. When you look at the biggest number, number of plays, and
It's been 10 minutes.
it hasn't been 10 minutes. It's been 10 seconds.
Go, I'm locking you guys out. Hey, this girl's locking us out.
Hey, lock them out. Okay. Now, when you look at obviously the millions place, which is the biggest spot, you can tell that they're both 5, so it's fine. Now, then you look at the 100,000th place and they're both 7. Then you go to the next one and see they're both 4s. But when you look at the next one, you see there's a 5 and there's a 3. Obviously, the 5 is bigger, so then it is 5,745,618 that is bigger.
Mm-hmm.
Now, it's recess class. That is the end of the section. I want you to do page 8, 1 through 5.
For homework?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
To the class.